This section covers the main gear wheel assembly removal and reinstallation process. Begin by positioning the floor jack under the jack plate and raising the main gear to allow the removal of the wheel assembly. Next, remove the 6 screws and separate the cuff fairing from the wheel spade. Then remove the 1 outer and 4 inner screws attaching the main gear fairing to the landing gear assembly. And now remove the main gear fairing. Note, it is very important that you deflate the tire before removing the main gear wheel bolts. Next, remove the 6 bolts attaching the wheel to the main assembly, and then, using hand pressure, remove the inner wheel half. A bead breaker tool will have to be used to remove the outer wheel half. Now remove the main wheel axle nut and tab washer, and then remove the 3 screws securing the brake disc to the torque plate. At this point, remove the torque plate, wheel hub, and brake disc. Note that the removal of the brake caliper is accomplished by removing the brake line. Now it's time for the reinstallation of the main gear wheel assembly. First, install the brake disc between the brake calipers, then slide the torque plate and wheel hub onto the axle. Next, secure the brake disc to the torque plate by using 3 5mm screws coated with Loctite 242 and torque accordingly. Now install the tab washer and the axle nut. After securing the axle nut, bend the tab washer over one side of the axle nut. After mating the inner and outer wheel halves to the new tire, align the wheel to the torque plate and hub holes. After coating with Loctite 242, install the 6 main gear wheel half bolts and torque accordingly. Now pressurize the tire to the recommended PSI, and then install the main gear fairing and secure with 1 outer and 4 inner screws. Slide the wheel cuff fairing into place and secure with 6 4mm screws. Last, release the floor jack.